Imagine for a moment that you are in control of your financial destiny. Every decision you make is not a matter of chance or luck, but because you possess the skill to lead, to stay calm, to think strategically, and to inspire confidence, especially in yourself. In the world of investing, many people focus only on numbers, charts, and technical analysis. But the truth that few reveal is that what really separates an average investor from an extraordinary one is the invisible skill of leadership. Leadership is not just for CEOs or managers of big companies. It is a fundamental skill for anyone who wants to take the reins of their financial life, overcome crises, and achieve real and lasting results. Today, I will reveal how you can develop and apply leadership skills to transform your investing approach, creating a competitive advantage that does not depend on luck, but on your mindset and action. When we think of leadership, the first image that comes to mind is someone commanding a team, making important decisions in a boardroom. But for investors, leadership begins within themselves. Have you ever felt fear watching your portfolio plummet? Have you hesitated between selling everything or waiting for a recovery? Those who lead, even amid market volatility, do not let fear control them. They know that emotional control is the key to avoiding rash decisions that can be very costly. During the financial crisis of 2008, while many investors panicked and sold their assets at huge losses, a few stayed calm, trusted their plan, and have been reaping the rewards ever since. This calmness is not luck, it is emotional leadership. Another essential point is that leaders know investing is not a competition against others, but a journey to overcome oneself. They commit to learning, adapting, and persisting even when everything seems uncertain. Remember that great investors like Warren Buffett and Ray Dalio always emphasize that their edge lies in discipline, emotional control, and the ability to lead their own decisions, not just having privileged information. Now that you understand why leadership is so powerful, let's talk about specific skills you can develop to use it to your advantage. First, deep self-awareness. Knowing who you are, your strengths and weaknesses, is the starting point for any leader. For investors, this means recognizing your risk profile, emotional limits, and triggers that may lead to poor decisions. For example, if you know you tend to panic during sharp market drops, you can create strategies to protect yourself, such as diversifying or setting clear sell limits. Second, effective communication, especially with yourself. Have you ever thought about how much success comes from your internal dialogue? The way you talk to yourself directly influences your choices. Leaders cultivate a positive and clear mindset, with encouraging phrases and concrete plans. Few investors stop to train this internal dialogue, and this is where you can stand out. Third, making fast and assertive decisions. Markets change in seconds. Procrastination can be fatal. Developing the ability to act under pressure, even with incomplete information, is a crucial skill. Fourth, empathy and active listening. Even investing alone, empathy helps you understand different perspectives, whether from partners, mentors, or information sources. This broadens your vision and helps avoid emotionally biased decisions. Fifth, resilience to face losses and learn from them. No investor wins all the time. The difference lies in how you recover from losses. Leaders learn, adjust strategies, and keep moving forward with more strength. You might be wondering, how do I apply this in practice? Here are powerful tips to incorporate leadership into your investing process. Create an investment journal. Write down your decisions, the reasons behind them, and how you felt. This exercise increases self-awareness and improves future decision-making. Set clear goals and review them weekly. Leaders work with well-defined objectives. They know what they want and how to get there, adjusting the path when necessary. Practice meditation or emotional control techniques. A calm leader is an effective leader. Spending a few minutes each day centering yourself helps avoid impulsive decisions during crises. Connect with other investors and learn from them. Networking is a powerful way to develop empathy and receive valuable feedback. If you are enjoying these tips and want to keep raising your level as an investor, subscribe to the Investor School channel now and activate the bell so you don't miss any content that will transform your investing approach, bringing not only financial gains but also personal growth and real leadership. Here you 1T Learn Magic Formulas. You will discover what really works to build wealth with awareness and power. Let me tell you the story of Anna, an investor who started from scratch with little knowledge and a lot of insecurity. Anna decided to develop her leadership skills, working on self-awareness and emotional control. She faced losses, of course, but she did not give up. With discipline and courage, Anna learned to lead her decisions, stepped out of her comfort zone, and today has a diversified portfolio that grows consistently and, best of all, she feels confident and in control of her own life. This story can be yours. Remember, investing is not just a matter of numbers. It is a matter of leadership, leading yourself, your emotions, your thoughts, and your actions. The real power to transform your financial future is within you, and the ability to act with courage, discipline, and clear vision. Start today, develop these skills, and watch your investment journey gain new meaning. Did you like this approach? I want to know, which of these leadership skills do you find hardest to develop? Comment below so we can start a real conversation. Don't forget to leave a like, share with investor friends, and subscribe for more content that will change the way you invest.